Do you want to offer the Seaman Journey travel experience to your customers and don't know how? We help you to choose the spaces you need. 1. How can you use the Seaman Journey availability? The first thing to do is to log into our website www.latintrails.com. Then click on the Partner Area section. Here you will be able to check the availability of the Seaman Journey. And in the Available section, view the types of rooms, such as Standard Twin. 2. What does hold mean? Hold are the spaces we have blocked for other travelers but are not confirmed yet. We can make them available, but we need to ask first. So do not feel discouraged and inquire with us if you want spaces that are on hold. 3. How to request spaces. When there are no spaces in the Available section, you can request by clicking Inquire. Enter your data and in the message write the spaces you would like to reserve. 4. How to reserve spaces. Select Book Now. Then select the number of adults or children and click Continue. Here you will see a description of the tour, what is included and what is not included. Click Continue. Here you can add a flight or tour to your cruise. Then click on Continue and fill in your personal information. And finally, click on Send and you are done. You have already booked your spaces. 5. How to check the availability of other ships. Don't limit yourself. Select All Cruises option and you can see all our options for you. Book now and live an unforgettable experience in the Galapagos Islands. With Seaman Journey, every moment is a memory to treasure.